This is the Pohl Force MK9 and the United Cutlery Heartstopper, or Mk9, just to compare. Sheath's a little bit better quality, knife's definitely better quality. If you're not going to use them, United Cutlery is alright to display, but the Pohl Force in hand, there's a big difference in the handle, and if you take them apart, it's constructed a little bit better, but United Cutlery is still a good knife. I think they're both slightly better, well, the United Cutlery is slightly better than the Hollywood Collectibles Group Mk9. Not as comfortable in hand, but the scale colour is more spot on, and the blade looks more accurate to the movie. But movie accuracy is what I was after more, otherwise I would have sold this one instead of the Hollywood Collectibles Group. Still may sell that one day. But the Pohl Force MK9, one of my favourite knives. Love the scales, love the blade. Okay.